Where does an old-time riverman go after he's passed away? Does his soul still keep a watch on the deep for the rest of the river days? Does he then come back as a channel cat, or the wasps that light on the wheel, or the birds that fly through a summer sky, or the fish swimming under the keel? Where does an old-time pilot go after he's stood his last watch? Does he fall by the ear of the man who steers, saying, hold her on that notch? There's a gentle sneeze in the river breeze, saying, son, I'm going to bed. Then they light their pipes and go off in the night. Or was that fireflies instead? Engineer go after he's cooled her down, gone up the hill to never come back from a quiet side of town? Does his soul live on in the engine song while the striker checks the gear? Still afloat on an old steamboat after he's gone?